grade 3. Today we will be learning the life and environment. The mangrove swamp is home to many different organisms. Can you name some of them? So we will go here at the picture. Okay, we will have here. You can see the mangrove here. So, okay, that's the mangrove, the plants in the water. Okay, you see the little children here. Okay, let's look at what a habitat is. Okay, and what an environment includes the environment of a habitat. Now we will see here what is habitat. A habitat is a place where an organisms lives. We can call it a home. There is food, water, and air in a habitat to keep the organism alive. Okay, so that is habitat. And habitats such as a tree, the soil, and the ponds are found in a garden. What organisms can be found in the garden? You will see this one. Okay. Hey, you will see this one. Hey, look. I found a spider on this hibiscus plant. You can see this hibiscus plant. And then the little girl here, I see a grasshopper on the grass. Okay, you can see this one, the activity. And there's a fish over there at the pond. And there's a rabbit over there. And you can see the habitats of that. Okay, now let's see the next one. Okay, let's see the diagram of the organisms. Okay, we'll see the diagram of the organisms. The first one is, okay, we'll see the organisms need food, water, air, obtained from the habitats which are their homes. Okay, just like these animals, this one is a frog. Where is the home of the frog? So the home of the frog is in the water lily and in the water, because they need the place that there's a water and it's not hot. They love cool place. Okay, now we will see this one. How about the butterfly? The butterfly, they loves to go to the flowers because they need the pollen grains. Yes, okay, for their foods. And now we will see here the environments and habitats. Okay, do you find same types of organisms in all habitats? No, organisms found in one habitat are quite different from those found in another habitat. Organisms are affected by their surroundings or environment. Okay, you can see this one. And now we will go here at the side. Okay, this is a forest. It is often damp, warm, and dim. What organisms can be found there? Okay, we'll see in the forest. Okay, you can see the toucan, the snake. Okay, you can see the snake in the forest, and you can see also the chimpanzee, and you can see also spider in the leaves in the plants, and you can see the ants. Okay, you can see the ants, and you can see also the millipede, the squirrel. Okay, you can see this one again. Okay, let's go here. Toucan, the bird. Snake, chimpanzee, the spider, and the ant, and also the millipede. Okay, and the squirrel. You can see it in the forest. Okay, it's often damp, warm, dim. What organisms can be found there? So you can see already the organisms found there. Okay, don't forget that one. Okay, we will go to the desert. In the desert, this is a dry, sunny, and hot during the day. So what some organisms found there? Okay, you can see the camel. Have a camel here. You can see the fox, the sand, the lizard, and also the snake. Oh my gosh, it's dangerous. So that's the organisms in the desert. Okay, they can survive in the desert. So we will see here in the conversation, what makes up my environment? Your environment is made of everything that affects you. Okay, they are talking together. So we will see here the environment in page 25. Okay, the environment of a habitat is made up of all the factors that can affect the growth, development, and survival of the organisms living there. So you can see the environment includes. You can see this one, that the amount of the light in the habitats. You know, the light, the temperature of the habitat, the organisms living in the habitat, and amount of water available in the habitat, type of soil in the habitats, just like this. You can see the picture here. There's a water, there's a plants, the trees, okay, and the meadow. So the environment one of the habitats may differ from the environment of one habitat. For example, the environment of a forest is different from that of a desert. Why? Because desert is just like this. No plants, only there's a plants, but you can see only the cactus. Okay, the cacti, this one, the cactus. But how about here? You can see this one. There's a big part of water, and also the trees over there, the other plants. See? So the temperature in desert is higher than the temperature in the forest. The chimpanzee cannot survive in the forest. Will not. Okay. The chimpanzee that can survive in the forest, rather, will not be able to survive in desert. Okay, the chimpanzee, if you put the chimpanzee here, the chimpanzee will die. Okay? But if you put the chimpanzee here, it will survive. Okay? So that's the difference. Okay. Is the environment of a pond the same as the environment of a river? Okay, we will try this one. Okay, so today we stop our lesson here in page 25. So there's a question here. Is the environment of a pond the same as environment of a river? Now we will try to answer that one next time. So thank you so much for listening, and I want you to draw an animals in the desert and an animals in the forest. Okay, just draw 3 animals from the forest and 3 animals also in the desert. I want you to draw it in your notebook, in your science notebook. Okay, So that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.